Hey guys, we're back at the attic. Today we will be vlogging me and my dad's Resident Evil figure collection. So first let's start with this. This is Dr. Salvador from the Resident Evil. His clothes are like dirty, and he has a chainsaw. This one is the Chris from the Resident Evil 1 remake. This one's the spiked regenerator. It's really spiky and pointy. You touch it. And this is the hunter from the first game. This is the monk with a skull helmet and has a crossbow. And this is the first zombie that you kill in the Resident Evil 1 remake. Now this is Garador. He kind of looks like Wolverine, and he has a life plaga on his back. Spoiler alert ahead, this is Zombie Forest. The first toy that we have, first Resident Evil toy that we have. Now this is the zombie dog from the first game. Now these are some zombie figures. I don't know if they're from Resident Evil, but we'll still add them in. This one has really cool, realistic hair. This one's a fat zombie with guts sticking out of it. Now this is the Licker. It's really long tongue and sharp claws. And this is Albert Wesker from the first game. And this is Verdugo from Resident Evil 4. Now this is mutated Jack Krauser with his mutated arm. And this is Tyrant from the first game, and he has like this transparent heart. And the last one, it's the Executioner Magini from Resident Evil 5. It's our only Resident Evil 5 figure. And it still came with this weapon. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Peace.